With profound respect, patriotic fervour, and pride in our hearts, we extend a warm and respectful welcome to our Honourable Chief Guest, Deputy Naval Officer-in-Charge, Odisha, Commander Vaibhav Vijay Kaslikar of the Indian Navy. Today we have assembled here as proud citizen of India to commemorate the 77th Republic Day of India, one of the most cherished red-letter days in our nation's glorious history. May I request our distinguished Chief Guest, Commander Vaibhav Vijay Kaslikar, to unfurl the National Tricolour at this auspicious occasion.
I take this opportunity to wish all of you a very happy 77th Republic Day. It is with immense pride and a lot of gratitude that I welcome our chief guest this morning, Commander Vaibhav Kaslikar, who is the most appropriate chief guest that I could think of when we were planning this parade. India has to stay strong, and if India has to lead from the front and has to be in some way the Vishwaguru, it is you, the youth of the country, who has to take things forward in a very positive way.
On this proud morning of 26th of January, where our heart beats with patriotism and a tricolour fly high against the sky of freedom, we are honoured to have with us a personality who truly embodies the spirit of sacrifice, justice and discipline that our republic stands for. Our chief guest, Commander Vaibhav Vijay Kaslikar, an officer of the Indian Navy, a force that guards our Indian vast maritime borders day and night so that we may live in peace and security. It is now my proud privilege to invite Commander Vaibhav Vijay Kaslikar, our esteemed chief guest, to address the gathering.
Today our constitution which we adopted came into effect. So we got a framework to break the walls of differences and proclaim ourselves as one nation. We are one of the largest economy, one of the largest military force, and we are a nation with the most number of youth.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring words. To formally express our gratitudes to all who made this Republic celebration truly meaningful, I now invite our respected Deputy Headmaster, Shri Shyamadipta Maitra, to deliver the vote of thanks.
To our esteemed chief guest, thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion with your presence and sharing your inspiring words about unity and progress. Your message will stay with us for years to come. Special thanks to our Headmaster, Dean Sports and the entire sport department who put great effort into organizing these excellent march parts, which will definitely reflect our dedication and love for our nation.
Chakra House, Raja House and Shiva House along with the horse troop. The colour party is being led by Askan Singh, the Vice Sports Captain of SAI International Residential School, followed by Samita Singh, the Vice Head Girl, Shiv Agnihotri, the Vice Head Boy, Akyad Alliance Dharya Utkal, the Vice Culture Captain, Shamli Tande, the Vice Captain. House Captain. The term Dwaja has roots in Sanskrit and is often translated as flag or banner. Ably assisted by Yuvraj Singh Virdi, the Vice House Captain. She was at the term deep cultural and religious significance in Hinduism. The students of Siva, Sanvi Kataruka, followed by Arya Kansal, Aradhya Biswal, Sara Bandwal, Parirani Sanu, Samragi Khan and Rishika Das. The horse troop lead and the timeless spirit of courage that guards our nation.